Hey guys, it is day 10. I now weigh a whopping 216.8 pounds. So I have lost a lot of weight in 10 days. Just 10 days. And I actually got to wear my work pants last night from the ones that they give me and the ones that they assign me. So that means before I started that diet, I could not put those pants on. No possible way to button them. None. Zero. Couldn't happen. If I laid down like girls do on the bed, wouldn't happen. Couldn't get them on. If I jumped up and down like girls do, I could not get those pants on my body. Okay? I couldn't button them. It was like that far away. I wore them last night after 10 days on this diet. That's how good this diet is. So, anyway, I'm going to take my HCG. This will be day number 10. That would be 20. So this is number 19. So I can do math. Simple math. Don't ask me to do something hard. Ain't going to happen. So, anyway. Let's see. And at the end of these videos, I'm going to have a spoiler alert. And anybody can guess what it is. We'll see. I'll be nice, do something for you or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But anyway, it's like a contest. If anybody can figure out what my spoiler alert is, which I don't think they would be able to, but if you can figure it out, that'd be cool. Just something for fun. Okay, that's dose number 19 in the books. So I'm gonna go get some stuff run to do. I'm then gonna go work on the CNC router, and then I will be back tonight to take my 20th dose, and I've got 5 more days, and then I have to make up another batch and start phase 3. So follow me. Just crazy world.